We will show you the sights and sounds of Ayodhya. We are currently at Hanuman Garhi, and this is the road that will lead to the Sri Ram temple. Anyway, it is said the way to Lord Ram goes through Lord Hanuman's temple. But this moment is truly, truly huge when it comes to Sri Ram Bhakts, to his devotees. The fact that the saffron flag finally goes up at the Sri Ram temple. Now, let me tell you what will happen. 9 o'clock this morning, you will have the Mangal Dhwani played out at the Sri Ram temple, in the forecourt of the Sri Ram temple. Exactly at 9, you will have Mangal Dhwani, you will have Swasti Vachan, bhajans being sung by some of the biggest classical artists and folk singers in our country, and classical singers in our country. For example, Malini Avasthi will be singing the folk music of this land, of Awadh. You will also have Ranjini and Gayatri, classical singers. They will sing bhajans of Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram, not just in Sanskrit, but also in Tamil, in Telugu, in Kannada. The message being very simple, that Lord Ram unites our country. What is also very significant, Udit Narayanji, he will be here. He will be singing Ram bhajans, and till about 45 minutes, you will hear a number of bhajans, mesmerizing bhajans. Some of them, we will have for you here on India Today. Apart from that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to land around 9:30 this morning. The Prime Minister's helicopter will land at the Saket University. Once he lands at the Saket University, he then drives to the Sri Ram temple. Significant, he will walk through the Sapta Mandir. There are 7 temples before the Prime Minister comes to the main temple, the Sapt Mandir of Maharshi Vashisht, Vishwamitra, Agastya, Mata Ahilya, Mata Shabri. Also, Gilehri Mandir, the Squirrel Temple, Jatayu Mandir, all of that. Mahant Vishnu Das joins me on the broadcast. We will talk to Mahant Vishnu Das in a moment. I quickly want to bring in India Today's Samarth Srivastav joining us about the festivities. And just look around. Mahant ji, 1 minute pratiksha kijega. I just want to show you devotees. They continue to come in large numbers with little children. When people ask why is Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram important civilizationally, just come and take a look at these images. Little children being brought to the Ram temple by their parents. What does this show? Every generation has carried Lord Ram, the message of Lord Ram. We may not have had the temple, that may have been demolished, but then that astha from one generation to the other remained from the times of Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram till date. I want to bring in Samarth Srivastav. Samarth, bring us details of the preparations that are currently on.
Well, exactly, Gaurav. Ayodhya is excited, and the atmosphere out here is electrifying, as it's just the matter of few moments when PM Modi will be arriving Ayodhya and will be doing the flag hoisting ceremony, the saffron flag atop the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra area at the Ram Temple Shikhar. We are at the Lata Chowk to show you the visuals, how beautifully the entire area has been decorated. If you see in the visuals, that's the majestic Lata Chowk out here, and the way it has been decorated is making much sense. You see, decoration, especially more focused on the floral decoration. If you see in this particular visual, a Shankhnad is being shown here with the help of few different species of flowers, 1, 2 and 3, and that's how it has been decorated all around here. Not just that, even the floral decoration out here has also been made to ensure that people who are coming at this auspicious day, because it's also the Shukla Paksh which is the day of Ram and Sita ji Viva. So that has also become important. And when PM Modi will be hoisting the saffron flag atop Sri Ram Janmabhoomi, that will be the time of the Abhijit Muhurat, which is very prominent in the Sanatan Dharma, and that's why this time has been chosen. And another visual, if you want to, if cameraman Gaurav will pan the camera right over here, are the majestic Surya Stamps. If you see, at one end, the sun is rising in the temple town, while in between, you see the Surya Stambh, the Kul Devta of Lord Sri Ram, Bhagwan Bhaskar, out here in an electrifying mode, because he is also excited about what is going to happen in the next few hours in
Electrifying.
Ayodhya.
You're
while
absolutely right, Samarth.